banda hꯧjikani mari se thachaba yade afa banu pasu lesilakta banda nushina bai matam paisang sanga.
Koromjari Mayam Nongjuriba, guys. My name is Jason and welcome back again to my YouTube channel, Jerodix TV. By the way, guys, I'm sure that was a correct pronunciation, and please don't angry with me if I'm not correct to pronounce the Maniform language, guys, but I think that was a correct pronunciation. Alright, guys, so wow, I'm so excited again to react another requested money for music, and it was requested by Nandarani PH. Alright, and she wants me to react this kind of a music or money for music with the title of Swai Swai Laowe. And the cast here, wow, my favorite, Sushant and Bala. And it was sung by Jeeta Sagolsem, official music video song release 2019. And of course, the owner and the uploader of this music video is credited to MAMI TAIBANG. Thank you so much, MAMI TAIBANG, for allowing to react this money for music. So before that, guys, yes, you know that one. For those new to my channel, please subscribe first to my channel, and don't forget to hit that bell button for more latest update on my reaction of video every day here in my channel. Alright, guys, so without further ado, guys, let's get now and watch this video. H360 features. Woo. MAMI TAIBANG, thank you.
Swai Swai Laowe,
Swai Swai Laowe. Look at that Bala. Wow, wow, she's so beautiful. Oh, Jeeta Sagolsem, she's the singer here, guys. Ooh. Oh, look at the hair of this Bala here, guys. Before, she have straight hair. Now, she have curly hair here in this music video. Oh, so short here. I like the music. Yeah. Wow. Oh, she's a Jeeta. I like your voice, sister. Very handsome. This guy, so shy, like me. I like to dance. Wow. Perfect artist here. Look at that face. Beautiful. Oh, I like swai swai swai. Yeah. Oh, Swai Laowe.
Swai Swai Laowe.
Oh, wow. Oh my goodness. Whew. First of all, wow, I don't have any comment or bad comment for the singer here, Jeeta Sagolsem. You have a great and you have a good, very, very good voice. I love it. I love it, guys. And yes, wow, the artists here or the cast here, Bala and Sushant. You are the famous artists, guys, and I know that every music video that you are making, guys, that you are doing, guys, that would be love your especially to the Manipur people there. They love your music video. I know that, no doubt that one, guys. And as a Filipino, I'm always here to support your music video. Especially the owner of this music video, Miss MAMI TAIBANG. Alright? And there's a lot of channel, guys, that doing money for music. There is a Tanta, yes. There is a, what's this? Who's this? Yes, MAMI TAIBANG, of course. H360 Pictures. There is a channel also there. And what else? I forgot the other guys, but the two most always doing money for music, that was the MAMI TAIBANG and Tanta. So thank you so much to all of you guys. And as a Filipino also, guys, I'm here always to support your new uploaded music video. As a reactor, I just want to thank to all of you, especially those my viewers, my subscribers that always supporting and love my small channel. And yes, the most especially my friends there in Manipur State. Thank you so much, guys. Tagachari and Aina ng Bunongshi, guys. That was, I'm always say it to all of you guys. Thank you so much for all your support. Alright guys, so another reaction of video ended for today. And I'm hoping guys that you will like this musical video that I react today. And if you like guys, please don't forget to like and share this to your families and friends, to your communities. And if you like this musical video, please give this a lot of a thumbs up as a support for this song. Okay? So, before we end this guys, for those new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit that bell icon for more latest update on my reaction of video here in my channel. So guys, until the next reaction of video, see you around there. See you on my next reaction of video. Thank you so much, Tagachari. I love you all. Ina ng bunong si, and God bless you all. Thank you. Bye.